Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Okay, last day before jumping into your weekend. Hope you're having an amazing week. Hope you got some fun, awesome things planned for the weekend. Remember, take advantage of the gift, which is now, right? Every single moment is a gift. It's like no other. It'll never happen again. And once it's gone, and you can't get it back. Okay, so take advantage of it. Okay, connect with those around you. Uh, you know, show the people that you're around that you care, right? Because you never know, like when you might not ever get to see that person again, or you might never get this opportunity again in the future. So, guys, use the gift, right? Each moment is an ability to give your 100%. Right? And giving anything less than 100% is a sacrifice of the gift, which is now. And it's the sacrifice of the beauty and the amazing opportunity that you have. And you're simply just wasting that moment. You're wasting the opportunity. You're wasting the ability to really improve yourself, make the most of your life, and be the best person that you can possibly be. Okay, guys. So even though today's Friday, don't slack off at the office. Don't, throw in the towel for the week and say, like I'm just ready to get out of here. Right. You might be tired, but take the time, put in the effort. Okay. And make today the best it possibly can. Okay, guys. So today's quote is someday never comes. It is always today. Move your dreams from someday to this day, and you'll begin to surely and steadily fulfill them. Ralph Marston. Okay, guys. What's that thing that you keep on saying? Someday I might do that. If I only had this, I would do that. Someday I'll be able to do this and I'll get that. Someday I'll stop eating sweets and I'll have a six pack. Someday when, work's not as busy, maybe I'll get back in the gym. Someday when I finally don't have to work anymore, I'll be able to go to the gym and I'll be able to then take care of my body. Someday when my kids are grown up and I'm not as busy, then, then I'll start eating healthy and then I'll start exercising. Guys, get rid of the someday and make someday now, right? There's an old saying, it's like an ancient proverb or something along those lines that after every mountain is just another mountain, right? So there's always going to be another obstacle in the way. There's always going to be another struggle. Okay. And you're going to keep on saying that, someday this, someday that. If it's not the same, in 2 weeks from now, it'll be something else. And you're going to have another excuse on why you can't do something or why you're not doing something. Okay, guys? So guys, get rid of someday and take action now, because it's the action which is going to drive your life forward. And it's the action which is going to help you achieve those goals, and get rid of those false beliefs. Get rid of those excuses and just take action. Okay. I know you're capable of it. I know that you want to achieve that thing that you said you're wanting to achieve. Okay. But you're just not taking action. So guys, take action, earn it. Okay. Okay. Get fired up and enthusiastic about the opportunity to overcome struggle and overcome the situations that you're facing. And be enthusiastic about creating a better version of you and the best version of you possible. Okay, guys? So take that as you go into your next week and into the weekend. Okay. Stop making excuses. Take action, right? If you keep saying someday, it'll be never. Because you're going to say that for the next 20 to 30 years. Okay. You're going to miss the opportunity. And you're going to look back on life saying, man, if only I had done this, or if only I had done that. Guys, you don't want to be there. Take action now, right? Make it happen. So, all right, guys. So today, speaking of that, you're going to look back and say, man, I really wish I would have moved a little bit more when I was younger, because I'm so stiff right now and I can barely, put my arms behind my back. Or, man, as you're dealing with that shoulder pain, you're going to say, man, if only I had spent more time working on my body in the months and years leading up to this, I wouldn't have to take 2 months off from shoulder press or from pull-ups, because my shoulder would probably be feeling pretty good right now. Okay. So here's your opportunity, guys. Make it happen. Get consistent. 10 to 15 minutes a day is all I want you to do. Okay. And just stay consistent with it over time. This first one we're doing is for the shoulders. Okay. You're going to secure a bar in a wrap, or you can actually tie it to an upright. You're going to put the band on just like a backpack. You're going to put your arms behind your back and lock arms. And you're going to lean forward into it. Okay. Note, the bar or the pole better be secured, or you're going to be flying forwards. All right. So right around the front of the shoulders, think about pulling those shoulder blades back, keeping the hands locked and keep the arms locked in back of you. Letting gravity do the work here, guys, but you're actively trying to pull those shoulders back. You're going to sit in this for 2 minutes. Okay. Just really trying to get the front of that chest opened up. Okay. Make a better bench press position, especially if you're bench pressing today. Maybe you're doing burpees, maybe you're doing chest bar pull-ups. You need that deep shoulder extended position with a little bit of that internally rotated position. Okay, guys. But put on the band backpack, put the arms behind your back, and I want you to lean and drop your body forwards as you pull those shoulders back. All right, guys. That's number one. Number two. All right. Is we're going to work on a little bit of rotation here. Okay. A little bit of rotation. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the band. You're going to twist around. Okay. Bring your arm out to the side, and you're going to twist. Okay, trying to stay upright. I don't want you guys leaning over or leaning back. Try to stay upright and straight up as you can. Feel the stretch through the upper back, and then you're going to twist back. Rotate all the way back. Take a few deep breaths. Rotate back. Really working on that upper back, guys. Working on the ability to rotate all the way up and down the system. You should be doing some kind of rotation, preferably every day, but at minimum 3 to 4 times a week. In order, guys, undo all the thickness that's sitting at the desk all day causes you to feel, right? Get opened up, get that chest opened up, get that thoracic spine opened up. Okay, and get yourself feeling better. So, guys, That's number 2. Number 3 is you're going to take a kettlebell or a dumbbell. You're going to press it up overhead. I want you guys to look up at the bell. Then you're going to slide the hand all the way down to the foot. Come back up. Okay, if you don't have a dumbbell or a kettlebell, I want you guys to get just a bag. Hold on to it, press up overhead. Okay, you're going to hinge at the waist. Try and keep the legs straight and up. Really working on shoulder mobility here. Really working on shoulder stability here. Working on hip and spinal mobility. Once again, getting some rotation through that spine, through the upper back, through the lower back, through the entire system, right? Guys, it's an excellent drill to incorporate into your prep for the day, into your warm-ups, okay? Just trying to get that spine moving, trying to get that shoulder working, trying to get that shoulder moving, trying to get your body moving. Guys, it's a great one. Incorporate it. You might find that's actually pretty tough for you, especially if you lack shoulder and spinal mobility, and you're also not that stable. So guys, pick a weight which is going to be challenging, but one you can do correctly. Okay, keep the eyes on the bell the whole time. Okay, and get to work. Do about 15 reps per side, or spend 1 to 2 minutes working through that nice and slowly per side. Okay, guys. So if you're looking to use that as a way for strength training, then you can actually load that up a little bit heavier. Okay. Do it on a little bit slower of a tempo. And you can use it as part of your strength training and movement training there as well. But guys, for our purposes, keep the weight a little bit lighter. I want you to really breathe through those positions, make sure everything's perfect. Okay. And get yourself opened up. So, guys, I hope that 3 things get your weekend started off great. Okay, remember, guys, don't sacrifice the gift which is now. Take action. Stop saying someday, and make your dreams come to life. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Dr. Tancini on Friday. And I'll see you guys on Monday. See ya.